Dear students, now we will work out question number 8. These are intermediate level of questions. And question number 8 statement is two race cars, car X and car Y, are at the starting point of 2 kilometer track at the same time. Car X and car Y make one lap every 60 seconds and every 80 seconds respectively. How long in seconds will it take for both cars to be back at the starting point at the same time? Second question is, how long in minutes will it take for the faster car to be 5 laps ahead of the slower? First of all, try to understand the statement of the question. First, it says there are two cars, X and Y. They are on the starting point of 2 kilometer track at the same time. So it means that the car X completes a single lap after every 60 seconds and car Y completes a single lap after every 80 seconds. Now what you need to find, you will have to find the lowest possible. So we have two numbers, that is 60. First car X in 60 seconds complete, the second car Y completes its lap in 80 seconds. So we are going to factorize prime factors with 2, 2 3s are 2, 15, 30, and now with 3, 3 5s are 15, and 5, 1. So 240, 220, 210, 2, 5, and 5, 1 the 5. So we have to write the factors twice, 3 single time, and 5. And for it, 2 4 times, then we got 5. Now to find the LCM of the two, what are the common factors? 2 is common, another 2 also common. So keep writing the common factors, because LCM is made up of or comprised of common factor and 2 non-common factors. So we got 5 as well here as a common factor. So with 5, and now writing the non-common factor, that are 2 times 2 and 1 times 3 also. So multiply these all. LCM would be 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 22 times 40, 2 times 80, multiply with 3. So the LCM is 240. 240 in fact seconds. So this is the time both the cars will take. After 240 seconds, they will be again at the startup of the track, both the car at the same time. So this was the solution to the first. In second part, we are asked, how long in minutes will it take for the faster car to be 5 laps ahead? Let's assume that 240 seconds, and after 5 laps ahead will be it. So 5, 0, 5 4 is a 20, 0 to carry, 5 2 is a 10 plus 2, 12. So 1200 seconds ahead. And now they are asking, the second condition was to find this time into minutes. Now we have to convert this time into from seconds to minutes. As we know, in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. We have to divide this time by 60. We will get this time in minutes. So 1200 divided by 60. 0 cancel with 0, 6 ones are 6 twos are 12 and 20. So 20 are the minutes the faster car ahead of the slower car. This is question number 9 of exercise 1b. Here you have to determine whether the following given statements are true or false. In case of true, write T for it, and if it is false, write F. The first statement is, if 6 is a factor of a number, then 2 and 3 are also factor of that number. Let's say 12. So we can see it has 1, 2, with 3 also 12 is divisible, with 4 also, with 6 also, okay, and 12 itself is also. So if, according to this statement, if 6 is the factor of some number, so it says 2 and 3 will be also the factor of that number. Here we can see 2 and 3 are also factor of that number. Any number we take, for example, you take 18. 18 have 1, with 2 it is divisible, with 3 and with 6 it is divisible, and with itself it is divisible. So you can see again 6 appears there, 3 is also there, and 2 is. So the statement is true. So we will encircle here T for it. The second one, if 2 and 3 are factor of a number, then 6 is also the factor of. 2 and 3 are factor of some number. So let's take the LCM of 2 and 3. As these are prime numbers, so it's only divisible by 1 and by itself. And 3 ones are 3. And here again you see 2 3s are 6. The LCM will be 3 and that is 6. So according to this statement also, it says if 2 and 3 are factor of a number, then 6 will also a factor. Yes, all the number that has 2 and 3 as a factors, 6 is also factor of that number. So this statement is also true. And the third statement, if 2 and 4 are factor of some number, then 8 is also factor of that number. So let's say take the LCM of 2 and 4 first of all. 2 2s are 4. Again with 2 it will go. 2 1s are 2. So the LCM is 2 multiply 2 and that is 4. So 4 is 2 and 4 are the factor of 4. The 4 factors are 1, 2 and 4 itself. And 2 and 4, according to this statement, if 2 and 4 are the factor of some number, so 8 will be also a factor, but there is no 8 because 8 doesn't come in 4 table. So that statement is false. So we will encircle false over here. The next statement, the fourth statement is if f is a factor of n, then n by f is also a factor of n. If f is a factor, let's say 2 is f, okay, 2 is f. So 2 is a factor of n, let's say n is 12. So that n by f, when we divide this 12 by f2, so 2 6 are 12, 6 will also be the factor of 12. Okay, so here from this statement it is true that 2 will be also the factor and 6 will be also the factor of this n. Okay, so n is 12 here. So 12 factors are 2 and 6 both. So it is true, we can mark true here in this case. The last question is the fifth one. If H is HCF of P and Q, some number P and Q, H stands for HCF, then P and Q are divisible both by H. So this can both divisible by H also. Let's say that P is 6, we factorize it into prime factors, 2 multiply 3, 2 3s are 6, okay, and Q is another number 9, let's say it's 9, so 3 3s are 9 when we factorize into prime numbers. So you can see the HCF number is 3. So you can say according to this statement HCF, so H is the HCF of P and Q, P and Q HCF is H, then P and Q are divisible by H. So this P and this Q both are divisible by this 3. So 6 is also divisible by 3 and 9 is, so this statement is also true. The next question is question number 10. So question number 10 is, it tells us about the LCM of three numbers 9, 12 and n is 252. We have been given three numbers, that is 9, 12 and n. Still n is unknown, we have to find its value, and their LCM is 252. If we factorize 252 here with 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 1 left over, it become 12, 2 6 are 12, and 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now let's do it with 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are, and 3 7s are 21, with 7 1s are 7. 2 twice, 3 twice, and 7 once. So we write it in prime factors, that is 2 power 2, 3 power also 2, and 7 once, 7 power 1. And when we factorize this 3 3s are 9, it means 3 square. Okay, and 12, when we factorize 12, it is 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and 3 1s are 3, 2 twice and 3 once, 2 twice and 3 once. So here we can see this is a riddle where we have to insert some value, the suitable value, and some conditions are given. Find all the possible values of n, but if n is odd. This is the main thing. We have to take n odd numbers. So if we divide this 3 number, these 3 and its LCM, into 2's column, let's see, there is this one 2 column, and then 3 column, here is also 3 column in LCM, and there is 7's column, 7 is here also. So in between we insert the multiplication sign there also, as there is still nothing, but we have to, as I told you, that in LCM we take the greatest value, 2 square. 2 square is here, and here we cannot insert 2 because 3 3s are 9, so it has to be contained with 9. If we write 2 here, so 2 power 0, which is equal to 1, and here we can insert, because we don't want even numbers, so 2 shouldn't be multiplied, we insert it here also 0. And for 3, check out the 3, LCM is 3 square, the most number should be 3 square. 3 square is here, 3 1, we can here put 3 square as well, and 3 power 0 also. Initially we will insert 3 power 0 to start with. And now 7 column, at most 7 should be 1. We cannot put 7 here because 3 3s are 9 is okay. If we put 7 multiply into it with, so it will not be equal to 9. So 7 power 0 we will insert, and here 7 cannot be multiplied here, as 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12. It will be wrong. So 7 power 0 can be inserted, but here we can insert 7 power, the most power is 1, so we cannot exceed than 1. 7 power 1 we can insert here. So here what we get, that 2 power 0 is 1, 3 power 0 is 1, 1 1s are 1, and 1 7s are 7. So 7 can be the first odd number, most probable value of n. First is 7. Now we think of some other configuration. If we put here 3 power 1, still 3 power 2 is there, we can put it till 3 power 2. If we write it 1 here, 3 power 1 and 7 power 1, it has to be there, because 7 power 1, where would be that 7 power 1 then? So it has to be there. 3 7s are 21. So the next value can be 21. So we write it here. It is also an odd number, but if we can put here 2, because the maximum value in LCM is 3 power 2. So 3 power 2 if we take here, because both are 3 power 2, so the maximum power can be written in LCM. 3 power 2 is here. So 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So 63 is another value which suits here according to this situation. So these are the set of answers which fulfill the conditions it's given in or implied here in this question. Hope you understood. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.